Understanding German Separable Verbs, on trend, bar of a bomb. Welcome to our German learning series for beginners. In the previous lesson, we covered the past tense of sein and haben, bar and hatter. In this lesson, we delve into separable verbs known as on trend bar of a bomb. Make sure to watch our previous lesson on trend bar of Alvin before diving into this one. Learning objectives. Let's outline the objectives for this lesson. What are on trend bar of a bomb? Where do they fit in a sentence? How to conjugate them? Introduction to a few on trend bar of a bomb. Separable vs. unseparable verbs. Understanding the distinction between separable and unseparable verbs is crucial. For instance, separable verb example: fab and an in fab stand. Unseparable verb example: fashion, in, on trend bar of an. Intonation and stress. Pay attention to intonation and stress. Separable verb stress on the prefix, for example, ouch tin. Unseparable verb stress not on the prefix, for example, fish. Usage examples. Let's see how on trend bar of a bomb are used in a sentence. Frieda hat einen guten Kuchen gemacht. The verb is conjugated and the prefix stays attached, forming questions. Hast du frischen Kaffee gemacht? Verb in the second position, conjugated and prefix not separated. With modal verbs, ich kann gut kochen. Modal verb in the second position, conjugated, and on trend bar of a bomb at the end. Conjugation. Conjugating on trend bar of a bomb is straightforward. Consider the example of fischen, fish. Du fished, or sie or es fished, were fischen, ihr fished, sie or sie fischen. Examples of on trend bar of a bomb. Let's explore a few verbs with the R prefixes. 1. Be prefix, Beckerman, see word bald, ein neue Lieder lernen. 2. M prefix, mefallen, die Idee ist mir gefallen. 3. End prefix, endekan, der Hund kann meinen Geist erkennen. 4. Air prefix, erfallen es, ist interessant, irrgästig zu rennen. 5. Key prefix, Kiwaka hurt, der Spaziegang hat mir gut getan. 6. Miss prefix, missbroken, die Regeln wurden missachtet. 7. Fair prefix, verkaufen, sie kann die Situation vereinschen. 8. Cell prefix, Celestin, Ashton brought, Zeit Farsich. In conclusion, understanding on trend bar of a bomb adds depth to your German language skills. Practice conjugation and explore different verbs to enhance your proficiency. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with friends, and subscribe for more language learning content. Don't hesitate to leave your comments or questions below.